Use the right lane to take exit 23 onto New Hampshire Route 104 East and New Hampshire Route 132 North toward Meredith.
What's up, Low Gang? Me and my sister are in the car and we are headed up to New Hampshire. We are headed up to Pemigewasset Lake, which is a small lake off of Lake Winnipesaukee in New Hampshire. So we're in the car and we are headed up now to meet our grandparents. We're currently there for the week. Party! Good job.
No drink in the lake.
This cabin is decorated with loons. They're everywhere. Hi, it is my first full day in New Hampshire. Yesterday was so much fun. We got here and we hung out with our little cousins and swam in the lake for most of the day. Yeah, yesterday was so much fun and I'm so excited for today. You can see all like the lily pads in the water. So today, I think we're gonna go thrift shopping and then later today, I'm gonna go kayaking. Also, the place we're staying at is so cool. It's like right on the lake and it's a bunch of like mini condos and they look like wooden cabins. I'll show you. There's like a bunch of these little cabins. We're staying in one all the way up there. And then the lake's right here. Also, we blew up this giant swan with our little cousins yesterday. They named it Swanee. And we swam all the way out. They had their floaties on, so we went all the way out to that raft and my little cousin jumped and I was so proud of her. Like, that's pretty far for little kids. Okay, time for breakfast and shopping. Where am I? What? This is so old. Oh my God. Damn. It stopped raining, so I'm kayaking now.
You sound like Grayson Dolan when he thought the forest fires were clouds.
I'm pretty... No, do you see those?
Oh my God, look how beautiful the clouds are.
How many aura points did I lose when I bought kayaking gloves? We are kayaking to that island and the entrance is like over there. The island. We made it to the island. Last time we were here, there were birds or ducks lined up there and we were basically swimming with them. Water here is significantly clearer than the water all over the lake, and I feel like it's because less people are on the island. Maybe just less creatures. Is that a boat?
I think so.
So it's the next day and we're headed to Mount Washington and we're gonna take the Cog Railway train up. Made it. That's so high up. We got the breast cancer bus or train.
So back there we are leaving Marshfield Station. Now, Marshfield is named after two people. Our founder, Sylvester Marsh. This is really going to work. With this beautiful name. So that is a Tiger's Hut. House. They wanted to go back to their normal morning routine, like they did at home of reading the newspaper. So our southern presidentials there, we got Monroe, Franklin, Pierce, and Eisenhower all the way in the back there. Now in each out of this building you will find restrooms, restaurants, a gift shop, a post office.
For reference, at the ground on the bottom, before we went up the mountain, it was high 70s, and up on the top of this mountain, it's low 60s. It's freezing. This is what I'm getting.
In there, that is Mount Eisenhower. And your eyes are not playing tricks. That is the Lake of the Clouds hiker's hut over there, the ridge line. Work as a team to get you down the hill nice and safe. Lafayette is another 5,000 foot mountain, 5,000 feet above.
We just finished at Mount Washington and now we're off the side of the road in White Mountain National Forest at a stream. Hi, I'm back at the cabin and I'm outside looking for mushrooms. Last time I was here, the mushrooms were like actually insane. I couldn't even like believe they were here. But that must have been at a different time of year than right now because I can't find any. I've never been down this way before. Oh my God, it's a leaf. I'm like really striking out today. I can't seem to find any. Like what?
How many of like these baby frogs?
It's a baby frog. Oh. This is the only one I've found, and it's like a very standard mushroom, which isn't the kind I was looking for, like that I saw last year. Okay, ew, no, too many bugs. I'm out. Okay, I found one mushroom near the lake. Oh, bug. Kind of an L for the mushroom hunting. I swear though, last time when I was here, they were like crazy. Okay, the water is so warm. I think I'm gonna put my bathing suit on and go in for sunset. POV, you're in the lake. Not gonna lie, this is really risky, but I low-key want a new phone anyways. I have to wear my Tevas in the lake. I stepped on a rock and split my foot open. I think this makes me a professional YouTuber. Crocheting on the porch. I wish I lived here so bad. It's so nice. I'm making this for my sister, but I'm crocheting a vine around her phone charger. I might do flowers, not sure yet. There's blueberries here. I kind of want to try one, but I'm scared. She said it wasn't like blueberry season. So maybe that's why there's not too many. I think I'm gonna try it.
Okay.
If I die, will you drive me to the hospital?
Yep.
Oh my god, it's a blueberry.
It's like a blueberry?
The water is vaping. It's 5:30 in the morning and I've never seen this much like smoke on the water. Oh my god. Okay, we're headed home. Probably see in the last clip I went kayaking with my grandfather. It was so much fun. We found blueberries. It's been a very wholesome family weekend and I'm very glad I documented it. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Definitely visit New Hampshire if you have the chance. Support the New Hampshire economy. Live free or die.